we are back with a little video. We're going to put all the wrap business aside for now. This company, Auxito, was nice enough to send out a pair of bulbs, which I have right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got and get them installed and show you guys the process in the before and after and see how much of a difference it's going to make for the old Subi here. So we're going to do a little comparison before and after with my stock bulbs here. I also found some more carnage right here. Bumper's starting to bubble. This wrap is just getting worse and worse and worse. But that's another video for another day. This video is all about Auxito. So these are the Auxito 7443 LED bulbs. They're red, obviously. Let's go ahead and take them out of the package. So of course I already opened them up, checked them out, made sure they're all good. So that's basically what you're gonna get right there. So there it is right there. It looks pretty fancy, pretty high tech, pretty high quality it looks like. So yeah, it should be plug and play and whoa bro. So far so good. They're looking pretty good quality. So, you know, only time will tell, of course, but this is so far, I like the first impressions. They're also going to be brighter and last a lot longer than an incandescent style bulb. So I can't wait to get these things installed and see how they look, compare them to the old versus the new. So let's get to it. My lights are a little different from the stock ones. I kind of switched around the bulbs to make it look like the JDM, I think 04, 05 taillights setup. Blinker, oh, I literally just did that. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Gotta get this wrap off already. I have this bulb upgraded already. This is the tail light and brake light, so that's still an incandescent little old school one. These are just going to be brake lights on my car. It may be different for your car. These bulbs may work for your running lights as well as your blinker, so it may be a little bit different of a setup, but for mine it's strictly just going to be your brake light. Keep that in mind. Your application may be a little different, but as long as the bulb seats into the housing correctly, you'll be good to go. For a dramatic effect, I have killed the lights to see the before and after. This is the stock bulb in action. It's going to act as our brake light. Gee, that was cool. That was just a quick reference so you know how the stock brake light acts and how bright that is with the incandescent bulb. So I can only imagine the LED is going to be a lot brighter, which is safer. Better, right? Brighter brake lights means more awareness for other drivers, and maybe they'll see you 2 seconds earlier and prevent that rear-end collision. Who knows? You just never know. So not only is it an upgrade, it's also beneficial for your safety on the road. Haha. Well, here's my trunk, and here's where the tail lights or where the bulbs are hiding in here. So basically, you know, of course my car is already halfway taken apart. Project car, I guess. I've had these taillights off plenty of times. I just haven't got around to putting the clips back here. So your car may have a couple clips holding in the liner here. Here we go. So we're after the top one there. Try to show you guys on this side. So again, this is only for, you know, WRX 2006, 2007. I'm not really sure how universal this is when it comes to the other models, but I'm just showing you specifically my year, make, and model. Again, I have to probably do your research on it, but in my case, if you have my car, then I'll show you how to do it. So just like that, counterclockwise, just to barely turn it out. Again, your car may be different because I have modified my whole taillight setup here. So what you see on my taillight is not going to be what you see on your taillight, unless you followed one of my DIY videos on my JDM taillight mod. So I did this years and years back, so just look for your brake light and locate it, swap it out, and enjoy your new LED light. So here it is. I'm going to pop it out. Pop it right off, just like that. Here's the old style bulb. It does have 2 filaments in there, so it's capable of doing a brake light and a tail light, or a tail light and a blinker, or a brake light and a blinker, and a tail light and a blinker. It's a dual purpose bulb basically, is when it has 2 filaments in there. So sometimes one of the filaments will break off and you'll only have a brake light and it won't work as your blinker anymore, or tail light and blinker, whatever orientation, whatever setup you're using. Anyways, that's what the dual filament looks like, and that's what it's used for. Those are the uses. But we're going to be throwing this away and upgrading, as you guys know. Here's a nice, new, shiny, sexy bulb here, I gotta say. Very sexy. I'm not sure if the polarity matters or not. So we're going to find out right here, right now. Plug it in. Okay, we're plugged in. So basically just gonna place it back into the housing like I did when I took it out. Once I get it locked into the little notches, just kind of get a feel for it. Push it in, rotate it a little bit. Might take a couple different tries to get it to click. Almost too big for my housing. So we got it locked in. You can see how close it is to actually hitting the inside lens. So it's very tight fit. It does go into the slot, it does lock into the housing. So I think we'll be plenty secure on that. It's just super close to there. But again, maybe it was designed that way because it does work. So yeah, okay, we're installed. Basically all I have to do now is wait for it to get dark again, give it a test and see how it looks. Whew, it's hot in this garage. Sweating. Okay, anyways, that's gonna conclude the install. So now we wait for the before and after effect. The suspense is killing me, so we'll see you guys in the next clip. So after reviewing the footage, you can clearly see that the LED bulbs light up a lot quicker. They're a lot more responsive. Yeah, your stock bulbs will get the job done, but nothing really beats an LED bulb. I mean, LEDs, they use less energy. They're, much more efficient than your standard bulb. They last much longer, they're very durable. All around, it's just a better light. Okay guys, well basically that's going to wrap up this little review for these Auxito LED lights. The LED tail lights are brighter, more efficient, last longer, less wattage, brighter, all the above. It's all around a better light than your stock OEM incandescent light. I left a link down below in the description, save you guys some cash. You can either hit that link in the description or you can use WRX Dude as your coupon code during checkout and it'll save you 10% on your order. So it's a little something, Thank me later, I guess you would say. Let's be honest, nothing beats LED tail lights or LED lights in general. Yeah, hopefully we'll get maybe another review video, maybe some more products sent out, do some more reviews for you guys. But we'll see down the road what happens. Anyways, thanks for checking out the video and hopefully it can help you decide on your new LED bulbs. Alright guys, I gotta go. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Thank you.